Son decided to update his gaming area and he wanted something on the walls but not artwork. Go look at it on the wall.
So these are the wall panels. And guys, he set these all up. I didn't help him at all. Put it up with double-sided tape, which I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna give you up close. How do you feel about these? I know you've had them up here for a while. What do you think?
Just adds like extra to the setup.
So good in here.
After looking around, he chose these 33 pack of 3D wall panels, Amazon bestseller. This is the box that they came in. He has a few extra panels left, so we're gonna look at them. See, they only stick out about an inch. Paint them. I mean, these are so cool for completely changing the look of a living space. They came, you know, there was like that many of them. And also have to order the mounting tape. I do wish it had come with that for this price point, but what we did was we ended up just taking these and we would just cut little tiny squares, and then he would put one here and then one on each corner, and that held it up perfectly fine.
Things are incredibly light. Very, very lightweight, and they're about 11.81 by 11.81 square inches. They do have it in several colors: white, black, faux wood, etc. And they are waterproof, dustproof, and you can paint them, which is really cool.
By the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Raphaela. Subscribe if you like honest product reviews about home and family Amazon finds, because I'm really trying to grow this channel to 1K by St. Patty's Day. Plus, we get to hang out and be smart little cookies together. Okay, back to the video. It does come with 33 panels. It says that it's enough to do 32 square feet. I feel like if you were a small business owner, doing something like this would be such an inexpensive way to take your whatever area just like to the next level. Even if you're a content creator, this as a background, fire. I would say if you've been looking at these 3D wall panels and considering them, buy them. I would absolutely grab them for under $50. There's no better way to change your living or office space for that kind of money. You can completely and quickly transform your space and just bring it to life and make it look completely different. Don't forget to grab the tape too, or you'll find yourself doing a last-minute run to the hardware store or waiting on Amazon. All right, that's a wrap. I'll see you smart little cookies in the next one. Bye-bye.